guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and today we're going to talk about kind of a do-it-yourself kit. I got a lot of emails from guys that wanted to build their own ovens, and you can see here I got some in the works right now, and the next batch of complete ovens, fully assembled, done, and built are already full. But I did order in some extra sheet metal. These are all CNC laser cut, and they're all CNC press brake formed. And I was going to offer them to you guys. If you guys want to build your own oven, I got quite a few emails of people that wanted to build their own oven, but they wanted to buy my sheet metal. Now everything I've got here done is all 20 gauge stainless steel, 304 stainless with a number 4 brush finish. So they look pretty nice when you're done with them. You know, out in the shop they get pretty beat around and they get pretty ugly, but you can just wipe them down with Scotch-Brite and put the grain back in them, no paint to scratch or anything, so it's pretty durable. They clean up nice. So let me show you what you get. First of all, the control box. We've got the slant top control. So that's the profile of the control box there. In the back, we've got a 120 millimeter cooling fan. We've got a cord entry right there, 7/8. We've got a small cord exit point, 1/2 inch for the cord for the fan. The cooling fan stacks on the back. On the bottom, we've got a hole for the SSR and the cooling heatsink right here for the SSR. And right here are the cooling holes for your wire connections and your terminal block. So you get a control box. You get a control box side plate. It slips in here like this. That's what completes your box. You get a control box faceplate. This has all got PVC coating on it. Everything's PVC coated. So that's your control box face right there. And that plugs in as so. Okay. And then you get Hotshot nameplate. That goes right over the front of this. And it's got places for you to drill for your switches and breakers. And then it gives you a place to cut out for a 48 by 48 millimeter temperature controller. So that's your control setup there. So you're going to get all that. All right, let me set that to the side, and I'll show you the actual oven. The oven, you get 2 side plates. There's a left and a right side plate. Those are PVC coated. That's the inside of the oven, and you notice they're different. We've got thermocouple holes and the heating element holes on this side plate, and this one is blank. The pilot holes are already there for your pop rivets. It goes together with 1/8 inch stainless steel pop rivets. So this is your left and right halves of the oven. You get an oven shell right here. So this is a 3-sided shell. So that's top, back, bottom, and your side plates go left and right. So you get the oven shell, and then you get an oven door. 2 inches thick, mitered corners, laser cut, and we've left, there's gaps in the edges of the doors for ventilation, which are designed in there, and we have gaps in the back of the oven. You can see we've got these miters opened up, so we've got gaps in the corners back here for the oven to breathe in 4 corners in the back and in the door in 4 corners. So the oven's not too tightly sealed. You actually don't want them sealed up tight as a drum. They need to breathe a small amount. So that's what you get for the sheet metal kit. I'm not going to tell you prices here because this video will be up forever and prices are always subject to change. But if you send me an email, barzindustrial@msn.com, I'll get prices to you right away, and these things are ready for immediate shipment. All right. I appreciate you watching, and thanks you everybody for supporting the Hotshot 360.